Hello there guys, this is J Reviews and today I am back with another video showing you guys a review of the Yongnuo YN300 Mark II video light. Let's see how it goes. So let's just jump right into the video. So the Yongnuo YN300 Mark II video light is specifically for making videos, for helping you guys light up the situation in any video. Now this guy, I got this for like 60 bucks and you can easily cope it like for 60 bucks. So let's see what's in the box. As you guys can see, here's the box and it looks pretty good. I mean, it's well made. It's a high quality box. Let's open it up and see what's in the box. As we open it up, we see here's our light panel that we will use for lighting our situations up here. We'll talk about it in a minute. So as you get it out, we see that here's a carrying pouch, which is very good made and like it will be really useful. Here is a stand you can use to actually use light and handle the light with your hand, and it can be useful sometimes. Here is a mount. Let's see how we can use it. Here's a stand probably for placing the light somewhere, and probably for that. Here's the remote, so we can actually use this wirelessly with a remote control. As you can see here, it can on and off, and it can actually control your camera shutter too, so that's a really good thing. It is a useful remote. Let me get rid of all this stuff here. I also got these filters which I can use in my light for different situations according to my video and its lighting needs. So here's the light and it can be opened up like this. As you can see, it has got 300 LEDs. That's why it's called the Yongnuo YN300. So you know that the 300 part comes from here. As we get to the back, we can see some buttons here, and here's our dialer from where you can, let me focus it up first. Here's our dialer. From here you can actually dial the situation to increase or decrease the intensity of light or change the controls or whatever. Here are 4 buttons you can use for different operations. This one is for the 5500K light, this one is for the 3200K light, this one is to show the battery indicator, this one is to actually change the intensity of changing everything. Like this is just changes it to fine decision to normal decision, you know. Okay, one thing I need to tell you guys is that to make this video light work, you will need a Sony lithium-ion NP F970 battery. As you can see, it's there, and you can actually cope it for like 10 bucks, and it'll be a really good deal. So let's set this up. You can turn it around and you can see here's the panel and everything where you can set the battery. Let's do that. Okay, here's this. I have set this up And as you can see, if I click this, by clicking this, it turns on. So as you can see, it has got white light, and if I turn this off and change the dialer mode to 3200K, now it has got a sunlight type of effect, like it's a yellow light. Now you get the yellow light. So it's a really good thing. You can have a variety of choice. As you can see here, there are 150 lights of tungsten and there are 150 lights of sunlight. So you can get white light from 150 LEDs here, and you can get 150 LED lights from which you can get yellow light. So that's a really good deal, and it can really help you out in your videos and in your lighting situations. Now let's talk about the filters and everything else. These filters can flap into your light like this and help you diffuse or change the color of your light according to your needs. So with that, you can use it like that. And if you guys see here in the bottom, there is this mount. Now with that, you can attach this mount to make it go to any of your, like this can set up in any of your camera. You can hold it on your camera hot shoe mount, and it will be really good for your videos and everything else. Now let's see how the remote works. As you can see, I have the remote. Let's see how it works. It works perfectly, and the best thing about this is that it also works with the Nikon and Canon cameras. So if you guys are looking for a light that can help you guys in your videos lighting situation, this light is very good and it's very cheap, as you can get it for 60 bucks and sometimes even less for sales. So I think this is far more the best light you can get from the money, and it's the best value for money. So I hope you guys like the video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will keep on making more videos for you guys. So peace out.